Hi, Shane King from Harcourts, and with me again today is Toni Blackwell from Bay City Conveyancing, the Director and Certified Practicing Conveyancer. So Toni, we get plenty of buyers asking us for copies of contracts and Section 32s when they're looking at various properties, but when is the most important time, or when is the right time for a buyer to present the contract to their conveyancer?
Obviously, I think in this instance, Shane, the earlier the better. Pretty much as soon as you've found a property and you think, yes, I really like it, it's always best to engage a conveyancer. That way they can review the documentation. If something might be missing, we can ask questions, or it just prevents any issues arising after contracts have signed and it might become more difficult to correct those issues. Okay
then, so let's say a buyer's found their dream property, they want to make an offer. Is it something that they can then make an offer, start negotiating whilst the contract's being reviewed, or do you think it should be reviewed first?
No, definitely. As soon as you get the purchaser gets those contracts to their conveyancer, the purchaser can definitely engage in the negotiation process. That can sometimes take a few days in itself, and by that stage the conveyancer should have been able to review the documents and provide the feedback to the purchaser.
All right, perfect. There it is. When you find the right property, get the contract to your conveyancer. By all means, start a negotiation, but the key thing is here, make sure nothing is signed until you've been given the green light from your legal rep.
Perfect.
Terrific. Appreciate your time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.